Have you ever wondered how credit cards work? Understanding credit cards is essential for financial responsibility. In this video, we'll explore the basics and risks of credit cards. Knowing these key details can empower you in your financial journey. Let's start by discussing what a credit card is. A credit card allows you to borrow money for purchases. You pay this money back later, usually with interest. Next, let's break down how credit cards function. When you use a credit card, you access a credit limit. This limit is the maximum amount you can borrow. Payments typically occur monthly, balancing your spending. Then, let's talk about interest rates. If you don't pay your balance in full, you incur interest. Interest rates can be quite high, leading to debt accumulation. Now, let's cover some benefits of using credit cards. Credit cards can build your credit history and score. This score influences loan approvals and mortgage rates. Additionally, you may earn rewards for your spending. Cashback and travel points are popular credit card perks. However, with benefits come significant risks. Mismanaging credit cards can harm your financial security. Accumulating debt is a common issue for many users. If you miss payments, late fees can arise quickly. Having high credit card debt can lower your credit score. It's vital to manage your credit card responsibly. Now, let's look at a scenario for clarity. Imagine a student with a credit card. They purchase textbooks using their card but forget to pay. In a few months, their debt piles up due to interest. This student's credit score takes a hit, affecting future loans. This example highlights the importance of vigilance with credit. Understand minimum payments and try paying more when possible. Always track your spending to avoid overspending. In summary, credit cards offer convenience and potential rewards. However, they also carry risks of debt and financial strain. Be informed, manage usage wisely, and stay within your means. In the end, it's all about financial empowerment and responsibility. Thinking of applying for a credit card? Research various options and understand your needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Empower yourself and others with financial knowledge.